Do you want to learn this American accent? Do you want to speak the English language fluently, confidently in the American pronunciation? Then guys, watch this video because in this video I am gonna talk about most important topic to learn the American accent, to learn and to speak in American accent, which is the word linking. Word linking, that is the head of the American accent. If you are learning, if you wanna speak in American accent and you don't even know what is the linking of words, then I wanna say sorry to everyone that you are not able to learn the American accent. But you can, and you can learn and speak it more better. But if you watch this video till the end, because guys, many people they thinks that the English language, the American people, the native speaker, they speak the English language so fluently, so fast, so quickly that no one can capture their speaking, their words, their sentences, and it is a wrong. But guys, I want to tell you, if you also have a thinking like that, then forget it. Because American people, they don't speak the English fluently, speak the English quickly. They just link the words together. Okay, they link the word together, and that's why their pronunciation we can't understand. Because why? We always speak the English language slowly, word by word. Because we think that the person who is doing conversation with us, we have to understand them, then I also can speak it. That's why we speak very, very slowly. But guys, it is a wrong and the biggest mistake if you want to learn the American accent. Because without the word linking, you can't learn it. But now the question is, what is the word linking? I wanna tell everyone that whenever you are gonna link the ending part of a word with the next word, then it will be the linking word. Means when you are gonna link or connect the last part. Okay, it can be the last alphabet, it can be the last part of a word with the second, means with the next word, then it will be a linking word. Like for example, you also always hear, you can observe that I don't say want to, I say wanna. I wanna that. I want a water bottle. I want a water bottle. I'm gonna give a speech. I'm gonna give a speech. What is meaning of gonna? Means I am going to. But it is an Indian accent going to. But I just convert it into the American accent by linking the two words together. Means gonna. Okay, gonna. Like that, you also can link the words, you can connect the words while you are speaking, while you are doing conversation. In any way you can link words. Only you have to watch this video, and then at the last I will talk about the American R also, which is very important. I know most of the people, everyone knows about a little bit also about the American T. Like, don't pronounce water bottle, try to pronounce water bottle, water bottle, water bottle. Don't pronounce hotter, pronounce horror, horror, horror. Don't pronounce that better, try to pronounce better, better. But we don't have a little thinking also with the American R. That's why we always pronounce the R like car, car, ear, ear, here, here. But the American people, they pronounce the R like R, car, car. The car is very beautiful. The car is very beautiful. The car is very beautiful. This air is nice to breathe. The air is air. I am not saying that car, it is car. I will give you the reason also and a trick to pronounce the R everywhere like R. So guys, let's start the video. It will be a great fun and it is very beneficial for you because I wanna cover two lessons guys in this video which are very important to learn the English. So don't miss the last part, the middle part, the first part of the video. So hi my friends and my seniors, welcome back guys into my 1 week for American accent challenge. As everyone knows, I took a challenge. In this challenge I have to make daily two videos about the American accent for 7 days, means a week, and it is the first episode of the first video. And if you want more details about this challenge, then I will give you the first episode of day 1 in the last of my in screen. You can go from there and you can understand the rules and what are the basic things that I have to follow. But now let's talk about my two great and important and very beneficial those topics are that word linking and the American R. There are two lessons and I am gonna share with you how to practice them by a story. Okay, you don't have to do only listen my story and then from listening you are gonna do a lot. I will use simple accent, means American accent, because I am also practicing. As I tell at the first, I am practicing, I am learning. That's why I took the challenge. Name is Meru and the Yellow Mango. Meru and the Yellow Mango. I know everyone are confused about Meru. What is Meru? In the Indian accent, we are gonna pronounce Meru, me too. Okay, me too. But I found this word very lazy, that me too. There are a very big hard work in the word. But American accent makes a word more smoother to pronounce. That's why I transform it into Meru. Meru and the Yellow Mango. Everyone understand? So now let's start the story. A parrot, a green parrot with a red beak. One day Meru was flying. He loved to fly. And he looked down, he saw a very big and sweet yellow mango on a tree. Mitu loved mangoes. I wanna eat that yellow mango, he said to himself. That's why Mitu flew down to the tree. When he went near to the tree, "Ka, ka, go, it's my tree," he heard a very great and hard voice. Mary was very shocked and amazed. He went away and saw a very big black crow on the tree. Then, after a few moments, Mitu found and saw a very big balloon. It was a red balloon. Then Mitu picked up the balloon and he got an idea. Then Mitu got an idea. He picked the balloon very carefully and went behind the mango tree where the crow was sitting. Then, by pricking the balloon, pop! Mitu brushed the balloon. And then the black big crow, he was so afraid. He said that cow, a gun is after me, cow. By saying that, the big black crow went away and he never came back to that mango tree. Then Mitu sat down and ate the yellow mango. Yummy, what a sweet mango. Clever Mitu. And this story is in here. The story is very nice and a great story. But now the part is that where is the linking? Understand that I told you the story, I explained you the story for a simple single notice that if you want to link the words together, then you have to practice it. Not for a long time practice, like 1 month practice, 1 year practice, 2 year practice. I also just speak this story in American accent only by reading and revising it. 5 is a treat to learn the linking words, because I am also sure that if you are a real beginner, then you can't link any two words together while speaking, while doing conversation. But for that you have to practice absolutely. Now what are the practice gonna be? Then guys, I will tell you that take a story. It can be a simple short moral story, but first of all take a story. And then after taking the story, link the words. Okay, link the words. It will be the best. There are many short stories are available in the internet also. You can write them from the Google, or if you have a any short moral story book in English, it will be very helpful for you. Only take this and then read it. Okay, first try to capture it. I want to tell you a secret that the story I told you. Do you know from which class this story is? This story is from class 1 textbook. Yes, from class 1 textbook. And I always tell to everyone that I had explained all of the story from class 1 to class 6, all of the story. You don't have to do anything, just link the word, means the ending part of a word, with the another, means the next word. Only by doing this simple thing you are gonna develop a lot. I am telling you the truth. It will be very helpful, guys. I'm gonna talk about a twist, and this twist is that you don't have to link all of the words together. Just try to understand my words. You don't have to link all of the words together. Just as you can see here on the screen, I gave you a short picture. Just pause the video and take a screenshot. There are many words are there that we have to use anyway, while speaking, while doing conversation, while giving a speech. Just take a screenshot and after this video, practice them. Whenever you get some time, practice them, and you have to copy all of the words, all of the pronunciation of them. Can see the main pronunciation of the words, of the phrases in American accent. You have to just copy them, and whenever you are gonna read something, you are gonna speak something, you have to remember them and you have to speak. And there is a main thing that I'm gonna tell everyone, that only don't think that after a few days the again American thought will come in my brain, and then again I will start American accent, and then again I will leave it, and again I will take it. No, American accent is an pronunciation, and it is a very important thing for us, because we are gonna change the pronunciation, the accent that we are using since our childhood to speak the English. That's why it's gonna be a little bit hard, but if you focus in the American accent whenever you speak the English, then it will be very important. Just listen to me and try to copy the words that I showed you, and it will be very important, guys. And it is the linking words. They are not you have to link the very big words, but in sometimes we have to connect them, we have to link them, that you can easily link while speaking, while pronunciation. So just remember it. And now let's talk about the American R. If you want to pronounce it, then I am gonna give you a tip. Okay, it is one kind of a tip, but you have to practice this for a little bit. It is not so hard. Only you have to do R. Now first of all, try to understand why we are pronouncing in the Indian accent R, but the American accent R. Now, just wait for a moment and then pronounce with me in the Indian accent R. Then you can understand. At the ending, your tongue is touching the upper side of your mouth, like R, 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 R. But the American people, they don't do the mistake, guys. Whenever the American people pronounce the R, they just curl their tongue a little bit, curl their tongue. So you also have to do this simple thing. Whenever you are gonna pronounce the R, then just ask about when your tongue are gonna touch your ridge like R. Scroll it behind. Scroll it behind like R. Do that, you can understand. That's a very big important notice that the American people who are speaking, they don't let their tongue touch their reach. Whenever your tongue touch your reach, then it takes a moment to be recovered. But when you are gonna pronounce it, then quickly you can attach the another word. Like car. The car is very beautiful. 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 The air is nice to breathe. The air is nice to breathe. Don't do anything. Just pronounce R while eating, while sleeping, while watching my videos or anything in any time. Just pronounce R, and then after a few days you are gonna observe that every words that are coming with R, you're gonna pronounce them like R. So just remember this thing, it is a trick to transform your Indian and like guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye. I think that this video is very helpful for you, and if you also wanna support me in this challenge 1 week for American accent, then guys please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and with hitting the bell icon you are gonna get all of the notification of our videos. So guys, thank you, bye bye. I will meet you in the next video with another topic of American accent. So bye bye. Here is the video, means the first episode of day 1, and this is very important, so click here and enjoy the video. In this video I explained what the things I have to do for to stay and for to win the challenge. So bye bye.